Welcome to the Excel Minute for Healthcare Professionals by Patrick Randolph, me, founder of QDoctor. We're going to cover shortcut keys today and why you should never use the mouse when using Excel. First, moving to the right. Control, right arrow. Move to the left, Control, left arrow. Let's go down. Control, down. It's as simple as that. Say I want to highlight some text though. That will be Control, Shift, right. These may sound overwhelming now, but they will become second nature to you. You'll notice that I've highlighted the bottom right there. Say I want to format that, because I don't like the font it is. I will do Control 1, and that will bring up the format menu. Then, just for fun, we're going to make the background color orange. Now, I want to copy this. Control C, you'll use this one a lot. Down arrow, Control B to paste. Actually, I just want to paste the text. I don't want to paste the color. How do I undo what I did? Control Z. That will undo. Now to just paste the text, Excel allows you to do Paste Special. Control Alt B. And this will allow me to choose what I want to paste. I only want to paste the values. There you go. Other two shortcut keys I want you to learn, find. Say I want to find an appointment by Dr. James Lofton. Control F, look in the top right, you'll see that it was activated search. I will type in Lofton, enter, and it will bring me to a value of Dr. James Lofton. I want to shift between programs. Alt, Shift, Tab. This one works outside of Excel and allows you to move. I'm pressing Tab to move between each of these. You should never use a mouse in Excel. This is a great base to start from.